Welcome to the startup journey of Literary Foundation. Literary Foundation is registered under Ministry of Corporate Affairs as Section 8 company, MSME, Startup DPIIT, eTender, GEM, and got GST. As an NGO, it has got 12A ATG CSR1 and Niti Aayog Darpan registration. The aim of organization is to work for youth and women empowerment in sector of education, health and livelihood. Vision is to contribute in development of community and society for better Atmanirbhar Bharat. Goal: Project Vijay Satyanitya, professional training; Project Sabhiman Karyashala, livelihood; Project Tashti, health camps. Project Vijay Satyanitya carry forwarded in 3 parts since 2021 to 2024. Career counseling of the learners, training, internship. These learners have been professionally groomed in different diploma courses, a 1 year or a certificate course. Swabhiman Karyashala started in April 2022 to provide growth and livelihood for youth and women, carry forwarded in 4 parts: workshops, enrollment, training, and volunteership. Literary Foundation has got 2,000 teachers, 1,500 digital supporters, and 500 counselors. This graph shows assessment of Project Vijay Satyanitya and Swabhiman Karyashala since 2021 to 2024. We have professionals to embark their journey in private and government sectors. As a startup, we have been part of all events, to name some: Women Empowerment Pledge by FICCI and CII at Bharat Mandapam, Bhashni NASCOM Foundation, Dhwani at India Habitat, Cybersecurity at Swaraj Bhavan, interaction session with Shri Piyush Goyal on 26th of January. Some of the glimpses of Project Vijay Satyanitya since 2021 to 2024. These government school learners have been professionally groomed in different diploma, professional courses to embark their journey as professionals, as digital supporters, and counselors. Swabhiman Karyashala, Karma Yoginis and Karma Yogis began their journey with MCD schools as digital supporters and teachers for underprivileged children. They have gone through a professional training and was a great support for underprivileged children. Literary Foundation believe in learn and grow, learn to train yourself professionally, and grow to have vision with livelihood. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.